So, good morning children. Yesterday we have dealt with the two grammar points. They are using the correct word plus countable, uncountable ones, much and many. And today we are going to do with the pronouns. Okay, first bit we are doing with the pronouns. Your heading will be fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns, or your single heading will be there, tick the right words. Yesterday I gave you. Under same one sentence you will get. Yesterday we did two, no? Much and many. You will get with much one sentence, with many one sentence. And other one hard, heavy, good, bad. With that also one or two sentences you will get. And today we are doing with the pronouns. Okay. These pronouns also we are going to get one or two sentences. First of all, let us know what are pronouns. Okay, what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words which we use in place of nouns. For example, nouns are boy, girl, Sita, Ramu, student, teacher, etc. In place of them, we use the different words because we cannot repeat the same word again and again in our sentence. That's why we use, if it is a male person, he, him, his we use. Ramesh went to Ramesh's village, we cannot say. Ramesh went to his village, we say. Ramesh gave Ramesh's friend a book, we cannot say. Ramesh gave his friend a book. I gave Ramesh a gift. I gave Ramesh a nice pen. One sentence, first sentence we use the noun. Again and again if we are writing the sentences, we don't use the same name. In place of it we use he, him, his, etc. I gave Ramesh a nice pen means I gave him a nice pen, we have tried. So in this way, these are pronouns. For boys or male, what we use? He, him, his. For girls or women or female persons, what we use? She and her. And if it is second person common, we use you and your. Okay? If it is animal or bird, we use it and its. It is a nice bird. Its feathers are attractive, we say. Okay. And if it is third person plural, they and them. They are going to their village. We gave them some gifts. Like that we use. I and me, we and our. We use for what? We can say we use for possessive pronouns. Okay. Based on this, we are going to do one exercise now. So, if it is boy's name, you use he, him or his. Whatever is given in the bracket, correct one you have to tick. If it is a girl, female person, you have to tick she, her, etc. If it is you, your, you have to tick. If it is they, their or them will come. Some people went to dash mark village, went to their village, like that. Understand? Our friends went to the school. Dash wanted to submit their project, they or them. Like that, correct word you have to use and you have to choose. I hope it is clear to you. Now I am going to give you one small exercise with it. Let us do. This, there is dash. My, mine. What will be the correct word? My bag. This bag is my, we cannot say. This bag is mine is the right word. Second, Ravi gave him or his pen to me. So what will we get? Ravi gave him pen to me is correct, or Ravi gave his pen to me. It is his. Right answer is his. So yesterday's ones and today's we are mixing. One or two sentences we are giving. After completing all this, one test like that also I am going to conduct for you. Don't worry. Third, we wrote in our or ours book. What should be correct, children? We wrote in our book or ours book? It should be our book. Lata told dash she or her sister a story. Lata told her sister a story, or Lata told she sister a story. What should be the correct? She or her, children? Actually, it should be her. Okay. I want to have some tea. I or my? What should be correct? My want to have some tea, or I want to have some tea? It should be I. Okay. Then last, this book is dash you or your. What will be correct? This book is yours, not your. And this book is your or yours. Yours is right answer. This way you can get any number of things. Understand? If it is animal, bird, you can take it, think it. So for persons, my, accordingly you have to check. This bag is mine. We can't say mine is right. Ravi gave his pen to me, not him pen to me. We wrote in ours book is wrong. Our book is right answer. Lata told her sister a story. Lata told she sister a story is wrong. Dash want to have some tea. I want to have some tea, not my want to have some tea. This book is yours, not your. Got it? This is about pronouns. Next bit we are going to do is demonstrative pronouns. Next we are going to have demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. What do you mean by demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrate means to show, to direct, to point out. This is my book. That is my phone. This is your chair. That is his chair. These are my books. Those are your books. అండర్స్టాండ్? దగ్గరలో ఉన్న వాటికి దిస్ అండ్ దీస్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. దూరం ఉన్న వాటికి చూపెట్టాలంటే వాటికేమి దాట్ అండ్ దోస్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం అనమాట. దిస్ సింగులర్, దీస్ ఫార్ ప్లూరల్. అండర్స్టాండ్? ప్లూరల్ వర్డ్స్ ఉంటే దానికి దీస్ ఆర్ మై బుక్స్. హియర్ డూ యూ సీ ఓన్లీ వన్ బుక్? నో, 2-3 books are there. Means it is plural. In this way we use these. There. Understand? 2 are there. So there means I am showing there means those are my books. Those are your books. One is there. This is a chalk piece. That is a box. One ఉంటే దిస్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. దగ్గరలో ఉండేది చూపెట్టాలంటే. దూరంలో ఉండేది చూపెట్టాలంటే ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫార్ ఆఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు పాయింట్ అవుట్ అండ్ షో that you say. For singular, for plural you say those. Understand? For singular which is close to you say this to show. Plural so many in number you say these. Okay. And ikkada అనడానికి here, akkada అనడానికి there. అర్థమవుతుందా మీకు? Understood what I said? So we are going to write the tick the correct answers on this exercise. First one, this or these is our house. What I said? One means this we use, not these. This or these is our house. What should be correct? This is our house. Second, I saw that or those pictures yesterday. I saw those or that picture yesterday. Understand? Pictures plural, so you should get those. Understand? Third, there is a tree near my house. We are using there or there. No. There or this. What will be correct? There is a tree near our house is right. Understand? I went there or those. For some time. I went there for some time. Come here or there and sit with me. Come there and sit with me is right, or come here and sit with me is right? Come here and sit with me. Okay. And some more. What we got? This, there, Some more we will practice. Sixth. These are those birds sat on that tree. Here I am using that, means we should use those only, not these. Okay. Next. These are my books. Dash. These or those are yours. Those are yours. Understand? That or this is a nice thing to hear. That. Understand?